If the area under the caulk is consistently wet after cleaning, stop and investigate before you re-caulk. Persistent moisture under caulk usually means there is a leak or trapped water that will ruin any new sealant, so first remove all old caulk and dry the substrate completely using towels and a fan or portable heater set to a safe distance until the material reads dry to the touch. Use a clean scraper and a brush to expose the joint so you can see where moisture is coming from and feel for soft or swollen materials that indicate rot or plumbing seepage. If the source is not obvious, run a water test by isolating the fixture and having a helper apply water in a focused area while you watch the exposed joint for fresh seepage. For gaps deeper than the bead of typical caulk, insert closed cell foam BackerRod to give the sealant the correct geometry and to prevent three-sided adhesion, which causes premature failure. Choose a caulk formulated for the specific environment so it tolerates movement and moisture. For example, select a high-quality silicone for non-porous surfaces and a hybrid polymer for painted trim where paintability matters. If you suspect a plumbing leak or structural issue, stop cosmetic repairs and get a professional to locate and repair the leak before sealing, because replacing caulk over a wet substrate only hides the problem and leads to mold and repeated failures. Common mistakes include re-caulking over wet surfaces, which causes the new seal to lift and trap water, so dry thoroughly and verify dryness before applying sealant. Another issue is failing to find the actual leak source and just concealing it, which means you should perform a simple water test and inspect adjacent plumbing and flashing and take corrective action on the real leak. A third frequent problem is using the wrong type of backer material or skipping BackerRod, which leads to three-sided adhesion and early cracks. So always choose closed cell foam BackerRod size to slightly compress in the joint, and follow manufacturer guidance for joint width to depth ratio. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community focused on home repair topics like persistent moisture under caulk. We use the site to share experiences, ask questions, and help contractors find work through local visibility and homeowner engagement.